High Court TV. Israel's High Court once again went live Tuesday discussing petitions against the premiership rotation agreement between Benjamin Netanyahu and Benny Gantz. Only earlier this year, a special High Court 11-judge panel rejected petitions against the coalition agreement between Netanyahu's Likud party and Gantz's Blue and White, but the judges then stated they were rejecting the petitions against the agreement and not striking down laws arising from the agreement, which were not enacted at the time. Now, the so-called Article 8 of the coalition agreement is at the center of the dispute, the rotation deal, whereby Gantz replaces Netanyahu in about 1 year's time. The petitioners claim that despite the earlier court ruling, the rotation agreement is in fact unconstitutional.
There is no ruling to date in Israel, and there is a big question as to whether to adopt the doctrine that the High Court intervenes in a basic law, especially when there is no complete constitution, and there is a big question whether there is judicial review of a basic law.
The regime system turns from a democracy to a royal mafiocracy. They've created a blocking bloc here to prevent the formation of a functioning coalition, an alliance of corrupt people.
The passionate petitioners continued for long hours to outline their claims, with large parts of the debate getting very political.
A normal rotation government happens without changes in the basic law, when there are two equal camps. There's a balance of terror between the blocs, and it keeps them going together.
Is this a legal argument? This is a political analysis. You need a legal argument.
And indeed, as tensions between the judiciary and the political system have been steadily rising, the main question appears to be whether the court should even chime in and risk adding fuel to the already existing fire.